Top 3 facts about King Charles that you must know. Did you know that King Charles is the longest reigning monarch in British history? He took the throne in 1952 and reigned for 70 years and 214 days, beating out Queen Elizabeth II, who reigned for 70 years and 70 days. Number 2, King Charles was the first British monarch to have a public funeral. The tradition was for monarchs to have a private funeral, but King Charles's children decided to hold a public funeral instead. This meant that millions of people lined up to pay their respects to the king. Number 3, King Charles is a fan of gardening. He's so passionate about gardening that he even designed his own garden at Windsor Castle. He's also very interested in plants and flowers from around the world. Now it's your turn. Share this video with a friend and see how many they know.